If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so first to the face, I hear the voice, you don't know, say I KOGENCY. But I KOGENCY rocks, channel. And today, bro, we have 156 AbzSav with gossip. No, I really never want to do any music reactions today, bro. I have a whole heap of other reactions to do, but I saw somebody comment the AbzSav gossip. I was like, I ain't do that yet. That's crazy, because the amount of times I hear that preview, that violin. Like, I feel like I know the song, but I only know that melody. I literally don't know any of the lyrics. So, I just want to jump into this, you know. Hit that like or dislike button, jump to the comments, can reply to all comments. Bro, I've been slow on getting to the comments, but I've tried, dog. I promise you, it's just been a lot of comments, bro. But I like that still. I like that we're growing and we're getting more comments. So, keep commenting, because I'm still replying. So, yeah, man, I said everything I need to say. So let's jump into this shit, man, with a trap star.
Strikes in the mix.
I like run, you know. AO4, where the cash at?
Fam, everybody's on balloons, bro. I swear, everybody's on balloons nowadays. Am I like missing the fun? Am I not having fun? Like, should I be doing balloons too? Let me know. Well, yeah, let me know.
AO4, where the cash at?
Abs, I. Bow.
Stardust killing my peoples, BBLs are killing these females. But let me not get into detail, let me jump out, slap that and then reload. All the sweet ones won't flex with me, and all the talkers ain't touch my G's. Countless drills, but let me not speak, and SYM to those who leave.
Suck your mouth.
Been where you at, baby, no, my stuck in my bag. Girl, I so alone, where the fuck were you at? That's old school days, we're not bringing it back. Good one, sometimes you gotta come right back, let me stop this. I'm a toxic, they slap that bell in the air, goddamn fuck's sake, with a really tryna pop it. With a bill and stick.
No, I can't just let it continue like that, dog. There's so much to go over, fam. First of all, I need to know who started this Stardog is killing my people. Because the first person I heard say it was Tion Wayne. Why them niggas so evil, Stardog killing my tapped with the song with him and Mist, right? But dog, every time I hear it, dog, I just can't stop saying it. Stardog is killing my people. And then BBLs are killing these females. Fam, I'm glad somebody said it, you know, dog. Because you see, when everybody does something, it takes away the niceness of it, fam. So when all of these, you know, sweet ones and some of the girls that aren't sweet ones trying to go and get BBLs, it just takes away the niceness of the BBL. So when you see it, it's not that it's not that nice anymore, bro. I swear to you. So thank you, AbzSav, for saying that. Because, you know, I've been wanting to say it, but, you know, with the feminism and all of that, you can't really, you know, on YouTube and, you know what I'm saying? So let's continue. AbzSav! Fab, I love how I'm here to talk about music and I'm here talking about BBLs. It's AbzSav, bro. It's not me. Gang! Come on!
Stardust killing my people, BBLs are killing these females. But let me not get into detail, let me jump out, slap that and then reload. All the sweet ones won't flex with me, and all the talkers ain't touch my G's. Countless drills, but let me not speak, and SYM to those who leave. She like AbzSav, been where you at, baby, no, my stuck in my bag. Girl, I so alone, where the fuck were you at? That's old school days, we're not bringing it back.
And then not bringing it back. So E1 is saying, yeah, I'm gonna take your shit. E1, I'm bringing it back. And then AbzSav is like, nah, man, I ain't taking your shit, man. We ain't bringing nothing back, man. I like that still.
Baby, no, my stuck in my bag. Girl, I so alone, where the fuck were you at? That's old school days, we're not bringing it back. Good one, sometimes you gotta come right back. Let me stop this. I'm a toxic. They slap that bell in the air, goddamn fuck's sake, with a really tryna pop it. With a bill and stick when I'm out in the day, take it L, no shit. Put a man in a play. I like sliding, gliding, bro. They catch them off guard. They aim for the stars, they aim for their hat. They ain't getting back and riding round there with violence. I'm mad that everyone traps and really does roll, but ain't putting work. It's really just sad. Oh, man. Whoo, man, I'm not guessing that. This is amazing. Tryna pop So the bill won't stick when I'm out on a day. Take it out, no shit, put a man in a plate. I like sliding, gliding, bro. They catch them off guard, they aim for the stars, they aim for their hat, they ain't getting back. And riding round there with violence, I'm mad. That everyone traps and really does road, but ain't putting work, it's really just sad. Let me ask you a question, who you think's really blasting these skanks? They spend man, they don't make no sense.
Wait, let me ask you a question. I don't know. I swear I heard that somewhere before, but I'm not sure.
Let me ask you a question, who you think's really blasting these skanks? They spend man, they don't make no sense. Still get done if you sit on the fence. Ask my man if I'm lying, got my life I'm brighting. Countless trips right there, 2020, it was all due timing. Stardust killing my people.
You hear his energy on that last part, dog? Like, he meant that shit, nigga. God damn.
Let me ask you a question, who you think's really blasting these skanks? Spend man, they don't make no sense.
Wait. Ask you a question. Who thinks really blasting his skanks? Let me ask you a question. Who thinks really blasting his skanks? Is CJM do that? Adigadi do that? Let me ask you a question. Who thinks really blasting his skanks? Yeah, dog. It must be a CJM song, dog. I'm sure. Fucking hell, I can't remember that. Let me know in the comments. I know you guys always let me know in the comments, you know.
Still get done if you sit on the fence. Ask my man if I'm lying, got my life I'm brighting. Countless trips right there, 2020, it was all due timing. Stardust killing my peoples, BBLs are killing these females. But let me not get into detail, let me jump out, slap that and then preload. All the sweet ones want flex with me, and all the talkers ain't touch my G's. Countless drills, but let me not speak, and SYM to those who leak. Sitting in jail like the man them what? Sitting in jail like the man them boot. I really can't say what the man them do. She gotta come in with the makeup too. If M's gliding, then I'm riding too. Don't come round if you fuck with the blue. Had to wait for my time in a long ass queue. She really.
And when they say blue, they mean the two blues, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know, the Pascal and the, you know what I'm saying? The other, you know.
Then I'm riding too. Don't come round if you fuck with the blue. Had to wait for my time in a long ass queue. She really cute, amazing view. She wanna go eat all the London Zoo. If I say I love you, he love me too. Nowadays got selection and zoots. It's too fuck.
You saw me doing this? I take that back, bro. I take that back. Fam, I didn't know the man was going to name off dead people. How was I supposed to know that? No, bro. And the man, he's going to get me in trouble, you know. He's going to get me in trouble. Man. No. I said it to them. I'm going to stop doing these hand gestures, you know, that. But the man said, you know, I got selection of zoots. And, bro, I love a zoot, bro. So I want the selection too. I'm like, what we getting? Star Dog, Cali Weed. What we getting? Man start naming off dead people. Bro. Man. No, man. At least warn me first, bro. You can't be doing stuff like that, dog. Seriously, like, you're gonna get me in trouble, bro.
Me with the makeup too. If M's gliding, then I'm riding too. Don't come round if you fuck with the blue. Had to wait for my time in a long ass queue. She really cute, amazing view. She wanna go eat all the London Zoo. If I say I love you, he love me too. Nowadays got selection and zoos. It's too fuck it, cool as the cruise. She act brand new, appealing too. Got two ding dongs when I'm sliding through. Got two ding dongs when I'm sliding through.
Hey, bro, he has fun with his flows, you know, dog. He has fun, fam. The whole song has just been him just having his own little fun with the flows, I swear to you.
Amazing view. She wanna go eat all the London Zoo. If I say I love you,
would you love me too?
Nowadays got selection and zoos. It's too fuck it, cool as the cruise. She act brand new, appealing too. Got two ding dongs when I'm sliding through. Got two ding dongs when I'm riding through. Stardust killing my peoples, BBLs are killing these females. But let me not get into detail, let me jump out, slap that and then preload. All the sweet ones want flex with me, and all the talkers ain't touch my G's. Countless drills, but let me not speak, and SYM to those who leak. Stardust killing my peoples, BBLs are killing these females. But let me not get into detail, let me jump out, slap that and then preload. All the sweet ones want flex with me, and all the talkers ain't touch my G's. Countless drills, but let me not speak, and SYM to those who leak.
Hell no, fam. Give me a little freestyle at the end. Aye. Me ain't touch my G's. No speak to those who leak. SYM to those who leak. Subscribe to KOGENCY. Subscribe to me, please. Before I aim that and squeeze. I ain't gonna squeeze on you when you're on YouTube, cause they'll take me down and you come back round. Aye, listen, bro. Listen, Linda, listen. No, listen, Linda. I swear, fam. Energy is up right now, bro. I swear. Right now, I even want to pull up the song. What you say? Pull it up again from the start? Or no, nigga, we got a lot more videos to do. I can't do that. But this is an amazing song. You know, say when I tell you guys to rate these songs in the comments, you don't rate them. So you know what? I'm not gonna rate them anymore. You know? No, fuck, I have to rate it, dog. Cause like my brain has to rate it. Yeah, this was amazing, dog. I'll give this a 9 out of 10. Because I'm going to download this right now and put it in my playlist. You understand? You know, one of these days I'm going to get big. I will go have our own playlist on Spotify, bro. Remember I told you. You know what I'm saying? Look me in my eyes. Remember I told you, bro. We're going to have our own Spotify playlist. The KOGENCY, the Trigonometry, or the Our World playlist. One of them. Hey, shut up, nigga. Anyway, man. Hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments. Tell me what you think about this. Tell me where you are next. And, oh, request some like non-music videos as well. You know what I'm saying? It don't have to be just music. Non-music videos, documentaries, funny video, anything. You know what I'm saying? Just recommend it. Hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments. Can reply to all the comments. KOGENCY or the KOGENCY Axe. Shout out. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Babe.
Yeah.
Come with the girl. Them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get roll